Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorials, and today I'll show you this type of edit, that means the orange and teal and night photography, and I'll provide you the preset which I use here and which I made it for you guys earlier. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So at first go to the file and open up. Here is my image which I got this one yesterday, and open it up. So in this image you are getting some noise over here. So at first I will remove the noise. Press Ctrl J for the new layer of the copy of this layer. So main, and then go to the filter, and here is noise and the noise reduce. So from here is the setup, and here the 6 strength 6 and other stuffs like that, and hit the OK button. It will take time to remove the noise and give you the output. Removing the noise will apply another steps. So before one and after one, you're getting the close look. Let's see, before and after, before and after. Subtle change, but that is important for this photograph. And then go to the filter and camera filter. Camera filter is a plugins of the Photoshop, and you can get this one by default in your Creative Cloud version. Otherwise you have to install it manually in a CS version. You will find out the download link in my video description. Please check it out. From here is new or small menu, and go to the load settings options. Here is the preset, that is the XMP file, and just open it up. It will apply in this photo, and you have assumption to make it out, and you can just edit all the things. Let's see the setting. Here the exposure 0.15, contrast plus 22, highlight minus 60, and the shadow plus 100, and whites minus 38, blacks plus 2, clarity plus 4, and the mid-tone or variance minus 3. Tone curve you're getting here 3 or 4 points, and I just made the curve like. And then the red tone curve didn't touch that. Green and blue tone curve, I just here the lock here and here, so just curve will be like that. And after that the detailing sharpening 46, and radius 1, and detail 25, and luminance of noise detection, that is 20. You can increase this up or you can keep it like that. And other things is 50, 50, 28, and like that. And HSL panel, you are getting here the red color, that is plus 3 hue, and orange plus 14 hue, yellow plus 8 hue, green plus 14, aqua plus 8, and blue, that is minus 48, just because of the aqua tone. If I made it like that, it will be like that. So I want to make it like aqua type, that's why I just made it like minus 48. And purple plus 10, and magenta 23 plus 23. And saturation here 3 things I just changed, plus 16 green, and aqua 15, and blue, that is, and luminance of the light, that is the red plus 33, orange plus 47, yellow didn't touch that, green plus 13, aqua minus 7, blue, that is plus 17, purple plus 11. And split toning, here the highlight is split toning, the color will be 243, and the saturation 14, and shadow plus 43, and saturation plus 10. And the lens correction issue didn't just touch here. Amount of dehaze, that is plus 27, I made it dehaze. And amount, that is minus 11, and the midpoint, that is 50. And now the camera calibration, most important thing: red primary, green primary, and blue primary. Red primary plus 22, green primary plus minus 16, and the blue primary, that is minus 58. That's why this one is aqua color, and hit the OK button. It will take time to load it up and give you the final output, and it will get the light like that. So after that, go to the filter and Nik Collection Color Effects Pro 4. Nik Collection or Color Effects Pro 4, whatever you can tell. This one is free of cost, and you can download this one from their website, and I'll give you that download link in my video description, so please check it out. Here are lots of filters and bunch of filters actually. From here I'm using the cross processing and all the methods or different types of method are over here. You can use that. C04 is the perfect one for these photographs, and hit the OK button. It will take time to load it up and give you the final output and give you the amazing look of your night type photography that is like that. Okay, taking time. Yeah, the before one was like that, and after one you are getting like that. So this one is done. And now second one, I got this one. Go to the file and open up here the image, and after that press Ctrl J. You can apply all the previous method in this photo, but I'm showing you the basic things. So filter, camera filter, and then load settings options, and this preset. Find the preset download link in my video description. In this photo you are getting like too much aqua, that's why you can just reduce the aqua saturation from here or here, or you can just down the variance from here. It will work like that. Yeah, that's good. And luminance, that will be like that. Yeah, you're getting amazing look. And you can use the same thing that is from the Nik Collection, filter, Nik Collection, and color effects Pro 4. You can apply all the steps. Those are the same process, but you have to make the changes, the lights and other stuff, just because of all the photos have no same lights. That's why I'm just doing that. So cross processing filter and lots of methods over here. If you need, you can choose one of them. So for this photo you can apply the different types of like effects. It will make more sense in this photo. So I'll use this one. That's good, and hit OK. It will take time to load it up and give you the final output. So that's good. Yeah, it's almost done and giving you the output. Yeah, done. So before one and after one, amazing look. Let's see another one. Same process. Go to the file and open up, and here is the photo, and press Ctrl J, filter and camera filter. From here, small menu, load settings options, orange and teal for the night photographs, and you can adjust all the things, all the stuffs over here, and hit OK. It will take time to give you the output and apply this one in this photo. So same process you can apply in this image for the noise reduction and other stuffs, and then filter, Nik Collection, and color effects Pro 4. So this one is another plugins. I told it earlier. Again, I'm just repeating this one. If you want to get the download link of these plugins, please check out my video description. And then here is lots of method. You can use one of them. Which one is perfect in your eyes? Here is the strength options. If you need, you can just reduce the strength of the filter, and you can apply this one in your photographs. So it will take time to giving you the output and the final like look. Let's see, the before one was like that, and after one you're getting like that. Huge changes and huge look, which is like amazing. So I'm turning it off. Hope that you learn a lot from this video, and if you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. If you want to get the download link and the practice purpose photos, please check out my video description. And if you want to get the plugins download link, please check out my video description. All the things, all the resource files I just provided in my video description. So always check out my video description for the resource file. And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.